Hey there guys, I am the PCGoblin. So in this video I'm going to be upgrading from the z79 platform that I had on my Wetbench up to the latest at that time, z270 platform. And this video is just me breaking down the Wetbench, or at least what was on my Wetbench, and installing the new parts and new components. So let's go ahead and get to it. Hey guys, so I'm going to be replacing the motherboard that I've got on my test bench right here. The reason being is when I thought I had the right screw for my M.2 slot, I had something that was a little bit smaller and it wasn't really grabbing onto the SSD, but it was working just fine. But anyways, when I got a screw that I thought was the correct screw, I tried to put it in and put the drive back in, and then when I did, turned on, couldn't find the drive. Tried a billion different combinations trying to get it to come back up, but somehow replacing the screw killed the M.2 slot, so I bought a new motherboard and I'm going to be replacing it. And I know it's not the drive that died because I stuck in a M.2 riser card into the PCI slot, booted, found the OS, no problem. So, on to replacing the motherboard. I've got the i3 8350K. I know some of you people are going to be like, oh, why didn't you get the i5 that was only like $10 or $20 more? Well, I wanted to overclock it, and cores isn't going to help me in gaming, whereas overclocking it as far as this will is going to help me a lot more than 2 extra cores. So that's why I got this and not the i5. And then got some Trident Z3600 megahertz memory. Now this I'm actually going to be putting into my main machine, but at the moment I'm going to be sticking it into my test bench and using it until I tear down my machine. At which point I'm going to be taking that memory out, putting it in the test bench, and then I'm going to be taking the solid state out of my main computer and replacing it with this, since this is much faster than the 850 Evo that I have inside my main computer. Then I ran with the Z370 Tai Chi. And the reason I did this was actually kind of a toss-up between the Gigabyte Extreme 5 Z370 board and this one, of course. And the reason I ended up choosing this is I wanted the dual NICs, and overall I think the ASRock was going to just be a little bit better. But I really didn't like the idea of having one NIC in Wi-Fi. But that's the reason I was looking at those two specifically, was they both had NICs, and then they both had Wi-Fi cards built into it. I didn't want to add a Wi-Fi card. I could, if I did, I could have faster Wi-Fi, but I don't care, it's fast enough at that point, and if I need faster I can wire into it. So I ended up talking to some of my friends. They thought the Tai Chi looked a little bit better. The Gigabyte looked awesome. I was really tempted. I think it personally looked better just from looks, but overall I think the Tai Chi is going to be better. So now that I've got this out of the way, let's go ahead and put it on the test bench. that's the video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope it was at least somewhat fun for you. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any comments or questions, go ahead and put it in the section below and I'll try and respond to you if I can. And hopefully you want to see more of my content and you'll hit that subscribe button. I know you will. Come on, do it, do it, do it. But that's it for this. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.